Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin completes final assembly of 9th F-35A fighter jet for Belgium. Lockheed Martin has completed final assembly of the 9th F-35A Lightning II multi-role combat aircraft for Belgium at its facility in Fort Worth. According to both parties, this is the first Belgian-designated aircraft that will be delivered directly to Belgium after acceptance. The delivery is scheduled to take place later this year, with the Florence Air Base set to become its home unit. 8 earlier aircraft, delivered in December 2024, are currently based at Luke Air Force Base in Arizona for training purposes. These jets are used to train both flying and technical personnel from Belgium. In total, Belgium has ordered 34 F-35A aircraft through the Foreign Military Sales (FMS) program. The Belgian government is currently considering the purchase of additional aircraft, which would be assembled in Italy. Lockheed Martin has so far delivered over 1,185 F-35 Lightning II aircraft of all variants worldwide, using 3 final assembly lines. The global F-35 fleet has logged more than 1 million flight hours. To date, nearly 3,000 pilots and over 18,000 maintenance personnel have been trained on the aircraft. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of my Electronics Technology channel, and for searching my channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.